Hi everyone, Zoe here. This is a Breville juicer that I have for many years. This juicer been handy for us. I like that it's easy to use. It has dual speed, which is low and high. The low is good for softer fruit and leafy vegetable, and the high speed is for denser fruit and the harder vegetable. And the extra wide 3-inch chute fit to juice whole fruit and vegetable without pre-cutting. I really love it. This juicer has built-in froth separator for smoother juicing, so I can get more juice and less froth into the glass. And the powerful motor with stainless steel and titanium reinforced extraction system. It has safety locking arm and large capacity pulp collector. So this is the pulp. I really love it. It's so dry. And this is my juice without pulp. And the good thing about this is dishwasher safe. Overall, this juicer works so great, easy to use, and definitely highly recommend if you're looking for juicer machine.